Hello everyone, this is Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SS Tech Tutorial. So guys, today in this video we are going to unbox and review this Habit MX701. Guys, this gadget is one of the amazing gadgets I have ever reviewed and comes in very cheap price. You might thinking that what will be the special about it? It's only a simple Bluetooth speaker. Then you are wrong. Also, if you thinking that it will be a normal alarm clock with Bluetooth speaker only, then you are wrong too, because it's more than that. This is a Bluetooth speaker which has so many other cool features on it, comes only in 10 to 12 US dollar or 1000 BDT. Opening this cool package, first of all you will get the Habit MX701 itself. Then you will get a multifunctional USB cable comes with it and a user guide. I know you are waiting to see the Habit MX701 functionalities. So guys, here is it, Habit 701. It is a 5-in-1 multifunctional Bluetooth speaker. This Bluetooth speaker has an alarm clock, FM radio, room temperature meter, MP3 player, Bluetooth call receiver and many more features. Also you can use it as a wide speaker with your computer and your mobile phone. And all of this feature comes only in 12 US dollar. Now let's talk about the build quality. The full body of this Bluetooth speaker made with good quality plastic and has black rubbery finish all over it. And that's give you a premium feel to hold it on your hand. To the front you will get a big glossy display. This is the main display of your alarm clock, FM radio and temperature meter. Top of this speaker you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 button to control and use all of these functionalities of this Habit MX701. To the bottom you will get 2 rubber legs and that will make better grip on any surface. Behind of it you will get 2 speakers, one for bass and one for sound. And to the right hand side you will get a micro SD card slot, and beside this you will get an USB port to charge it and use it as a wide speaker. This Bluetooth speaker has 2200 mAh battery which can give you 6 to 7 hours backup easily. You can recharge the battery using any standard charger adapter or any USB cable. Its weight only 350 grams and its compact size make it very portable and easy to carry. Now let's see how to use it. On the top from the right hand side you will get a volume up and next button together. Then you will get a power button. Then here you will get a volume down button or previous button. And after that mode button, and then you will get a set button, and last one is brightness button and temperature meter button. To use it as a Bluetooth speaker, go to Bluetooth mode using the mode button. Now on your phone go to Bluetooth setting and there you will see a Habit name. Pair with the device and you are ready to go. Sound quality is very good according to the price. And if you like bass in music, then believe me, it will not make you upset. Sound was pretty decent and clear. Also, if you want to change the song from the speaker, just press the next button or previous button on the speaker and it will change the song on your phone. Now, if you want to use it as a wide speaker with your 3.5mm audio jack, just connect the USB cable with the speaker and the audio jack into your phone and you are ready to go. Now if you want to use FM radio, just go to FM mode using the mode button and press power button once and it will automatically search and select all the radio station for you. So guys, that's all about this device. Overall I am very much satisfied and impressed on its functionalities, sound quality and battery backup. It will give your desk a premium look if you keep it on your working desk. So guys, if you want to buy it, search on any online shop. And if you are from Bangladesh, then check the link in description to buy it from Bonik Gadgets. You can join their group. I will put down the link in description. I can assure you about them of better response, reasonable price and secure delivery. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you like this video. So give it a big thumbs up and share this video. And if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for the next video notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SSTech Tutorial and I'm signing out. Thanks for watching.